अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद करता हूँ सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज का हमारा लेक्चर वेरियस साइंस के ऊपर है। देखते हैं वेरियस साइंस में कौन कौन से टॉपिक आ जाते हैं। सबसे पहले टैक्सीडर्मी मीन स्टफिंग डेड एनिमल्स। उसके बाद स्टेनोग्राफी मीन शॉर्ट हैंड राइटिंग। उसके बाद psoriasis इज़ अ लर्निंग डिसेबिलिटी। प्रेनेटोलॉजी इज स्टडी ऑफ fossil. Hematology is a study of blood. Geology is a study of earth. Acoustics is the science of sound. Catalology is the study of cell. Entomology is the study of insects. Apiculture is the science of beekeeping. Ornithology is the science of birds. Philology is the science of language. Oncology is the study of cancer. Exbiology is the study of life in outer space. Exbiology is the study of life in outer space. Numestics is the study of cones. Eugenics is the study of alternating humans. Eugenics is the study of alternating humans by changing their genes, or it refers to improvement of human race. Ethology is the study of animal behavior, and anthropology is the study of organ and physical and cultural development of mankind. Carpology is the study of fruit and seeds. Pathology deals with diseases. Histology deals with organic tissues. Pedology is the study of soil. Cryogenics is deal with the production, control and application of low temperature. Seismology is the study of movement inside earth crust. Ambidextrous is one who can write with both hands. Astrophysics is a branch of astronomy which deals with the physical and chemical nature of heavenly bodies. Etology is the study of causes of diseases. Cryptology is the study of codes. Dendrology is the study of trees. Agronomics is the study of relationship between people and their working environment. Agronomy. Graphology is the study of handwriting. Psychological is the study of life in artificial environment is called biopsy. Phycology is the study of algae. Mycology is the study of fungi. The art of Campbelling dictionary is called lexicography. Cartography is the art of making maps and charts. Philately is the hobby of stamp collecting. And onomastician studies what name. Thanatology is the study of what death. Study of human population is called demography. What does an otologist study? The air and its diseases. Neurogest study what the mind. Neurogest study what the mind. Semiology is the study of what signals. What is civiculture? Forestry. What is axillography? Word engraving. Word engraving. Paleontology is the science of history of life. Meteorology is the study of weather. Meteorology. Meteorology is the study of weather. Cryptography is the study which deal with the secret writing. Hydroponics mean cultivation of plants without use of soil. Hydrology is the study of rainfall. Mycology is the study of fungus and fungi diseases. Petrology is the study of rocks in the earth crust. Amniocentesis is a method for determination of total sac. What is stenography? Invisible ink writing. Ichthyologists study what fish. What diseases are psephologists study? Voting election. What is studies in aerology? Plant Mars. Orthography is the study of what words pronunciation. A philomath has a love of what learning. What is a nidoologist interested in birds' nets? What is philography? Autograph collecting. Agronomy is the science of soil. Agronomy is the science of soil management. The process by which plants take food is photosynthesis. The process by which plants take food is photosynthesis. Reduction is the removal of oxygen atoms. Oxidation is the combination of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. Horticulture is the cultivation of flower, fruits and vegetables. Pasteurization is the production of food by heating. If temperature rises gradually up to 40 degree, the rate of photosynthesis may stop altogether. ये था हमारा आज का लेक्चर वेरियस साइंस के ऊपर। बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट लेक्चर। पीपीएससी के आप पास पेपर उठा के देखें, इनमें से 2 एमसीक्यूज लाजमी पेपर सेलेक्ट देता है टेस्ट में, पीपीएससी टेस्ट में। तो एक दफ़ा इसको सुनने के बाद हम इस काबिल होंगे कि हमारे ये एमसीक्यूज ईज़िली करेक्ट हो सकते हैं। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में, तब तक के लिए रखिएगा अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल। अल्लाह हाफिज़।